Hey, DIYers. Today, I'm working on a Eurostream washerless faucet. Now, I'll be honest, I'm not a big fan of these, but we're going to fix it anyway and I'll show you how step by step. Step 1. Shut off the water. Before you do anything, make sure to turn off the water supply. Sounds obvious, right? But you'd be surprised how many people forget this step. Step 2. Plug the drain. Always plug your sink drain. Why? Because these faucets have tiny screws and rubber pieces that love to disappear down the drain. Let's avoid that extra job. Step 3. Remove the handle. This Eurostream handle has a small rubber cap on the side. Just pop that off and you'll find the Allen set screw underneath. Use your hex key to loosen it and the handle will lift right off. Step 4. Remove the cartridge. You might see a screw or stem sticking out of the top, but don't worry about that. The retaining nut that holds the cartridge in place slides right over it. Go ahead and loosen the nut. This one wasn't even that tight. Step 5. Inspect the cartridge and faucet body. Inside, you'll find a stainless steel plate on the cartridge. Pretty solid quality there. But if you look deeper into the faucet body, you'll see the real troublemakers, the spring and rubber seat. Step 6. Replace the seat and spring. This is where leaks usually start. That old rubber seat gets worn flat, and the spring weakens over time. Some people try to stretch the spring to get a bit more life out of it. It might work temporarily, but it's not a long-term fix. Here's how I do it. Take a small screwdriver. Slide the new rubber seat over it. Drop the spring into the seat. Carefully guide it into the faucet body and let it slide off the screwdriver. Wiggle it into place until it's seated properly. Step 7. Reassemble the faucet. Once the new seat and spring are in, insert the cartridge and snug up the retaining nut. Don't over-tighten, but make sure it's secure. Reattach the handle. Tighten the set screw and snap the rubber cap back in place. Step 8. Test it. Turn the water supply back on and check the leaks. If everything's sealed up and working smoothly, you're back in business. And that's it. A simple fix with just a spring and a rubber seat. Even on a so-called washerless faucet. If this helped you out, drop a like, thumbs up, leave a comment if you got questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-world plumbing repairs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.